name is Alicia.
And my eyes are over to school. I am Brianna. Welcome to NEWS News for the upper the 9th of September.
Straight into Te Kupu o Te Wiki. This week's word is hiakai,
which is te rei for hungry, as in, kei te hiakai koe. Are you hungry?
Yes, I am. Where's the cake at?
Hang on.
Guys, where's the cake?
Just give me that one, it's good enough.
No.
Good enough?
Delicious.
Great. Kia ora. Okay, most students are doing the right thing, wearing their high-vis vests to and from school. Please do likewise.
Congratulations to all Science Fair students who completed their projects and interviews yesterday.
And well done to the Year 5, 6 and Miniville players playing in Invercargill League at the stadium last night. Both teams scored heaps of points for 1 win and 1 loss.
Speak final news. Ka Justin Hindle, who represented Winton School yesterday, just missing out on the top 3. Great achievement.
And if you miss any notices, you can play the news again, or you can read all notices in the text box above.
What are you doing? It's below.
I do it above. Okay?
Sandpit news. A reminder to keep all the toys in the sandpit. Far too many toys have been left laying around the playground.
Same goes for the sports gear. Make sure all the equipment is returned to the trolleys at the end of play and lunch times. Thank you.
Birthday news! A big day for Jordan Kuidi turning 12 today.
Happy birthday, Jordan. Have a great day.
Okay, that's all for Winton School News. From everyone here at NEWS News Team, ka kite a pūpū.
Stay clean, stay dry, keep up the good work, Winton School.